Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
And we are back for our final game this Saturday. It is CARCIDO Motors versus UNC-TRIFIT. At ngayong gabing ito, malalaman natin kung sino nga ba ang mananalo dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na napakagaling. And of course, makakasama niyo pa rin ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Canzorez and with me is Rick Porta.
Ayan, down to our last match for this Saturday quadruple basketball action dito sa Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. So, again, nabanggit mo kanina, sino ang makakakuha ng panalo dito sa dalawang kupunan? We know kung paano maglaro itong dalawang kupunan na ito. CARCIDO Motors looking for their third win dito sa ating liga. And on the other side of things, UNC-TRIFIT, they really need to win this game for them na magkaroon ng napakagandang spot sa ating ligang ito. So yan, kaabang-abang ang performance ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Kilalang-kilala ang mga players between these two teams. So again, magkakatalo na lamang sa mga game plans, good offense and defense para sa araw na ito.
At kaya naman, in just a few minutes po, magsisimula na ang labanan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, pinag-uusapan na nga natin itong UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Motors. Itong CARCIDO Motors natin, talagang wala pa silang talo dito. So let's see if, just like NCF Tigers, they will have a clean record here after this matchup against UNC-TRIFIT. And on the other hand, itong ating UNC-TRIFIT, meron na silang isang panalo at isang talo. So now, this is really a good battle between these two teams, knowing that they are really fierce when it comes with this kind of matches. At ito nga nakikita natin sa ating screen right now, it is UNC-TRIFIT. And we also have our key players here. We have Festin, Sarmiento, Batiansala, Caronan, the team captain of UNC-TRIFIT. So, let's see if they can get their second win this evening, knowing na magaganda yung performance na pinakita dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. But still, ano pa yung ipapakita nila ngayong gabing ito? Now, para makasama natin ang ating courtside reporter sa kanyang pagbabalita kung ano nga bang adjustment sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Andyan si Zai. Hi Zai, update natin dyan.
Good evening, basketball fans! Live tayo dito sa NCF Covered Court for an intense showdown between two powerhouse teams, UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Motors. I'm Shalomar Zameniano, bringing you courtside coverage for this highly anticipated matchup on our official broadcast partners GNN TV 48 Naga, and we're also live via OBL's Facebook page. Both teams have been playing exceptionally well this season. UNC-TRIFIT is known for their fast-paced offense and deadly outside shooting, while CARCIDO Motors relies on their tough defense and strong inside presence. Siguradong magiging dikit ang laban na ito. Stay with us as we break down the key matchups, player stats, and game strategies na kailangan gawin ng dalawang kupunan na ito to secure this win. Huwag kayong bibitaw because this is only going to be a game to remember only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now, balik sa inyo, or should I say, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Azai, for that update. So yun, according to her, UNC-TRIFIT is known for their fast face play and their deadly outside shooting, which is very evident with their team captain Caronan together with Batiansala. These two deadly duo na talaga namang tansyadong-tansyado itong ating court. So yan ang aabangan natin. They need to maximize those strength para dito sa kanilang kupunan. And to hear an update naman sa kabilang side, let's call our courtside reporter Chen. Anong pinaghandaan ngayon ng CARCIDO?
Good evening, Rick and Tin, and hello again to our Oragon basketball fans. We are now on the last game for our third week of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. As I got a little conversation with their coach, and according to him, kulang man sila ngayon, ngunit he advised his players na i-enjoy lang ang laro at huwag na huwag kalimutan to play as a team. Dagdag pa niya, they are going to stick to their game plan para makuha ang pangatlong panalo. So keep tuning only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again, this is Chen Shaira Nicolas all the way from the bench of CARCIDO Motors. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, nasabi dito. let's see ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustment, knowing na napakalakas o isa yung team nila sa pinakamalakas ngayon sa season ng ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. So let's see kung meron nga ba silang gagawin ditong pagbabago sa kanilang paglalaro. Knowing na nasabi nga kanina ni Rick, aggressive itong UNC-TRIFIT. So this is really a battle of two biggest team dito sa OBL Elavil Cup. And we're going to start this matchup, much awaited game of CARCIDO Matters and UNC-TRIFIT. So let's see here on what will really happen. Dahil exciting na din yung ating mga fans ng UNC and CARCIDO Matters sa kung anong gagawin nila ngayong gabing ito. And of course, late in the evening na po, pero andito pa rin tayo para sumuporta sa ating mga teams.
Ayan. In a few minutes, ipapakilala na dito ang first five for both squad. And the first quarter will start. Both teams are working under pressure because CARCIDO Motors gusto ditong magkaroon ng tatlong sunod-sunod na panalo, and on the other side of things naman, UNC gustong madagdagan yung kanilang panalo dito sa ating liga para magkaroon ng sure spot on our leading boards. Now, thank you so much for our sponsors. We have the 3N Bakery, MNL KINGPIN, CAMSUR, Bergbox, Naga College Foundation, MARIANO Optical, DELIGOLD, the Philippines, Safe Gasoline, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO, BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks. Thank you so much. And sa mga lahat pong nanunood sa ating live stream, thank you so much din po. In a few minutes, mag-shoutout po kami ng mga manunood. So habang di pa nagsisimula, let's shout out din sa ating mga live audiences naman dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Shout out kay James Gabarda, kay Kyla Casulya, kay Brian Tosok at kay Ace Sumuad. Thank you so much and happy watching.
And
Maya-maya,
of course,
dadagdagan natin Tita Tin ang ating shout out.
Mamaya na natin yung iba, ang dami kasi nagpapa-shoutout sa atin ngayon. Pero mamaya, babalikan natin yung iba pa na gustong mag-shoutout dito sa ating live coverage of CARCIDO Matters and UNC-TRIFIT matchup. This is the last game para dito sa ating intense Saturday night. And now, we have our first lineup para dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT and also dito sa side ng CARCIDO Matters.
Now, Tin, on the side of CARCIDO Motors, you have Alare, Aswer, together with Relata, their key player here. And on the other side of things, UNC-TRIFIT, Sarmiento, and the rest of the squad. Magsisimula ng ating first quarter. Relata gets that one on their side. Forcing that one in. Unang puntos will go on the side of CARCIDO. Now, UNC-TRIFIT. Ano magiging sagot dito? Great block para dito sa ating CARCIDO. But the first quarter, mainit na agad ang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. Aswer. Passing it to jersey number 18. An early whistle coming from our referee. Now jersey number 45 to inbound. Alare looking for his teammate. Passing it to Relata. 13 to shoot. And Relata, walang alinlangang pinasok yung depensa on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. And that instant replay is brought to us by Safe Gasoline. Now, samahan pa yan dito ng free throw opportunity. Relata. Successful on the 3-point play. Now, TRIFIT. On the offense. Barcena heavily guarded here by Alare. Finding his teammate. And wow. On your screen, Villamor makakakuha dito ng point conversion sa side ng TRIFIT. Relata. No good on that attempt, pero offensive rebound. Unsuccessful. TRIFIT ngayon ang magkakaroon ng ball possession. Barcena, itatawid ng bola. But a great steal coming from Alare. And the jersey number 18, Manrique. Gagawa ng paraan yung second chance on their side. Kitang-kita sa ating replay. And another free throw shot on the side of their team. No good. Now UNC. They need a point now. 7-2 na ang ating score. Medyo mainit ang pagsisimula nitong CARCIDO. Kadag to inbound. Passing it to Barcena. Heavily guarded by Aswer. Barcena to Estrada for 3 at unang tres on the side of TRIFIT. And that 3 points is brought to us by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Aswer. Passing it to jersey number 24. So another foul was whistled on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. 14 on the shot clock para dito sa CARCIDO Motors. Alare. And Relata again. Puts that one in on the side of their team. UNC-TRIFIT ngayon. On the offense. Villaflor. Passing it to jersey number 14. Barcena and getting a point. Wow. Napakaganda nung last point conversion na yon para dito kay Barcena. And again, on your screen, Barcena to add his point para dito sa ating first quarter. Pero no good. Back to CARCIDO. Alare. Taking his time. And, wow! Dire-diretso para sa layup na yon. Napakaganda ng palitan ng puntos para sa pagsisimula ng ating match. Yan si TRIFIT. Villaflor with 9 seconds to shoot. Passing it to Barcena. Slips on the floor. But no good para kay Caronan on that 3. Aswer ngayon nagmamadali. Finding Relata on that corner for 3. No good. Barcena naman ngayon securing that one, and the ball slips on the hand of Caronan. That's why Alare ang may hawak ng bola on the side of the CARCIDO. Turnover. UNC-TRIFIT ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. Caronan with that baseline inbound. Villaflor back to Caronan. 4-3. No good. Aswer. Bibigay ito kay jersey number 4. Punzalan. Ipipilit with that mid-range jumper. And it was good. Punzalan. What a great teamwork on the side of CARCIDO. Everyone is contributing on their side. Now, UNC. Villaflor with that point conversion. Yun ang kailangan ngayon dito ng ating TRIFIT side. Relata. Taking his time. Passing it to his teammate, jersey number 24, Ramos. 3 seconds violation was called on the side of the CARCIDO Motors. Substitution on the side of CARCIDO, Buena Obra. Ipapasok on their side. Barcena. Passing it to Villaflor. Heavily guarded here by Punzalan. 4-3. No good. And now, TRIFIT is on the penalty situation. They need to be careful with every actions and errors para dito sa ating laro because nagsisimula pa lamang dito ang ating match. One more time for a swear. Two clean basket. 59 on our score. And a couple of substitution on the side of TRIFIT. Sakido ipapasok dito together with Masinas. Wow, napakaganda nung pasang yon dito sa UNC-TRIFIT side. Now, ano ang sagot on the side of CARCIDO Motors? "12 seconds to shoot." Napakaganda ng depensa on that last sequence coming from the UNC-TRIFIT. Relata looking for his teammate. Passing it to Punzalan. Relata to Benaobra. Another tight defense was shown on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT, making it 6 on the shot clock para dito sa ating CARCIDO. Relata to Ramos. And it was good. Now, matatawagan dito ng foul itong si Aswer. Sakido with that sideline inbound, passing it to Caronan with 15 to shoot. No good. Napakabilis ng response ni Caronan on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. But Yancela, no good on that attempt. 13 to shoot. And Villaflor with that 3 points on the side of their team.
At ayan nga si Villaflor from their last game, nagpakitang gilas na. And now, he is still consistent with his gameplay. CARCIDO Motors, anong pambawi dito? Now, Relata. Nako, Relata ngayon yung talagang bibigay ng puntos dito sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. So, napakaganda ng match ng UNC-TRIFIT at ng CARCIDO Motors. Now, but Yansala, passes here to Masinas. And basket count with the foul. Now, our first quarter is full of instant replay dahil napakaganda ng mga puntos na ginagawa nitong ating dalawang kupunan. And that instant replay is brought to you by Safe Gasoline. Now, Masinas for a three-point opportunity here. No good. Now, CARCIDO Matters, an opportunity. Benaobra passes to Relata. Back to Benaobra here. 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Caroche. Nagkakagawa ng bola, but Benaobra gets it. Good defense coming from UNC-TRIFIT, but Relata gets it. Another point for CARCIDO Matters. Unstoppable Relata para dito sa side ng CARCIDO. Now let's see, ano pambawi dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. Sa loob, Caroche gets it. Now, nagbawadali dito. And a steal coming from UNC-TRIFIT. Now we are seeing variety of plays here for both teams. Now, that is what you call a tight defense for both teams. They are really matched for this game. UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Matters showcasing a good defense here. Now, let's see CARCIDO. Now, we whistled foul here to Benaobra. 16-22, 6-point lead of CARCIDO Matters. Now, Punzalan. It's a free throw line. First free throw was good. 2 minutes and 8 now. And let's see. With this remaining minutes of our first quarter, ang gagawin pa ditong ating dalawang kupunan. But before anything else, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Taylor Swift, Loud Seruma, Crown Hotel, Glass House Beach Resort, Laman Residences, Tiger's Cafe at TC Rapa Drug Mart. Maraming salamat po. Now, 15 to shoot for UNC-TRIFIT. Tatawagan dito ng foul si Caroche sa side ng CARCIDO Matters. We have 2 Caroche here. And Joseph Caroche yung tatawagan dyan ng foul. Now, on that free throw line for a second free throw, that's good. Kahit sa mga free throw, bumabawi itong ating dalawang kupunan. Now, Relata to inbound. Passes to Joseph. Heavily guarded here. Benaobra. Hanapin dito si jersey number 8. 15 to shoot. Beron. Tight defense coming from UNC-TRIFIT. Relata releases now a 3. No good. But a whistled foul. Tatawagan dyan ang foul. Ito, jersey number 4. Sa side ng CARCIDO Matters. Both teams are now on the penalty. That's Punzalan. And Karunan will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. Hindi nagkakalayo yung puntos nitong ating dalawang kupunan. So this will be a tight matchup sa pagpapatuloy nito up until the end of this quarter and the next quarters. Now Relata passes here to Sabio. Sabio to his teammates. Loses it. So an opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT. But Yanzala going inside. Talagang dire-diretso para dito kay Batyansala. Now 21-23, just a 2-point lead of CARCIDO Matters. What a tight defense for UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Motors. And we can really see that they are eager to get this win this evening. Talagang pinaghandaan itong ating dalawang kupunan, most especially UNC-TRIFIT, because they've seen CARCIDO Motors play for second time. At ngayon, nakalaban nila yung CARCIDO Motors. And wala pa pong talo itong CARCIDO Motors. And isa sa inaabangan at isa din sa inaasahan na pinakamalakas na kupunan dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup Season 1. But UNC-TRIFIT, as we can see right now, nakikipagsabayan with these veterans. Now, Oragon releases a 3. That's good! And now UNC-TRIFIT getting the lead here against CARCIDO Motors. So what will happen with this remaining 46 seconds of the first quarter? Buena Obra loses it. A steal coming from Caronan. Now, a whistle foul here. Grabe yung ating mga kaganapan dito. So Masinas will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. And also, an opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT to extend that lead. No good on that first free throw. Now Messina's second free throw. He needs the second free throw and that's good. Mapapatawag nga ng timeout dyan ang CARCIDO Motors, knowing that UNC-TRIFIT nilagpasan na sila dito ng 2 puntos. So they need to do is to tighten their defense now. Let's see with this instant replays, yung ating game highlights during this first quarter, this matchup of UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Motors, seeing UNC-TRIFIT having a good communication and connection inside the court. This is what they need. And we can see on how they really improved from their last game against USI Falcons. So CARCIDO Motors, they need to look after this team. At isa siguro din sa naging disadvantage dito ng CARCIDO Motors is yung sinabi ng ating courtside reporter na si Chen na kulang yung mga players ngayon ng CARCIDO Motors. So I think that's one thing na talagang kinailanganing gawan ng paraan dito ng CARCIDO Motors. And we only have 25 seconds remaining here. 25-23 on our scoreboard. And since both teams are now on the penalty, Relata standing in that free throw line for 2 shots here. Relata. First basket was good. Now to tie the game here. Deadlock on 25 if Relata can place this free throw. And that's good. Relata having a good percentage on his game plays and free throws here. 25 seconds remaining. Batiansala passes here to jersey number 6. Back to Batiansala. 15 to shoot here. Heavily guarded by Joseph Caroche. Batiansala to Caronan. What a good assist with a foul here. And that assist is brought to you by Mariano Optical. Let's take a look at... Tingnan muna natin ulit dito as Batiansala gets that ball to Caronan, getting that basket with a foul. What a good game highlight for UNC-TRIFIT. Napakaganda nung connection ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT. This should be their performance all the time. Napaka-exciting ng laro ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And now, a whistled foul here with only 3 seconds remaining here. Tatawagan dito ng foul sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT jersey number 29. Taugan. Now Relata again on that free throw line. First free throw was good. This is what I'm saying kanina-kanina lang. Na Relata, very effective on that free throw line. High percentage sa kanyang mga free throws. Now, second free throw to tie the game again. And that's good. 27 all. Deadlock again. 3 seconds. What will happen now? Taugan releases. But it's all done sa ating first quarter. 27 all. What an intense matchup for UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Waters. We will be back.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto laging nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at
And we are back for our second quarter of this matchup. UNC-TRIFIT against CARCIDO Waters. And we can see right now a very intense matchup of these two teams. 27 all. What a good defense coming from this both teams during that first quarter. Of course, aside ng UNC-TRIFIT, we have key players like Villaflor, Batiansala, Taugan, Masinas, as well as Caronan. And also sa side naman ng CARCIDO Waters, we have Relata, Joseph Caroche, Buena Obra, and the rest of the players of CARCIDO Waters. Now let's see here kung sino ang una magkakaroon ng basket for our second quarter. Nagsisimula pa lamang po ang intense matchup na to. Ang dami pang pwedeng ipakita ng dalawang koponan. Now Alaray passes here to jersey number 4. No good. Now UNC-TRIFIT now on the offense. Now, Barcena pass to Sarmiento. But a whistled foul here. Tatawagan dyan ng foul si jersey number 8, Beron. Now, 18 seconds to shoot here for UNC-TRIFIT. Estrada releases a 3, and that's good. First basket of UNC-TRIFIT for our second quarter. And they really have the guts here tonight. Can CARCIDO Waters get a point here? Babawi, no good. One more time for UNC-TRIFIT. Villaflor passes here to Barcena. Barcena getting inside, getting that basket, and making it a 5-point lead now of UNC-TRIFIT. Rather, it is Kadag sa side ng UNC. And of course, batiin lang din natin yung andito pa sa loob ng NCF Covered Court na nanonood sa atin. And a quick shoutout to Jameson Brenya, Janaila Basales, and Kim Monteroso na nanonood po sa atin ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. Now, one more time for Estrada. Passes to Kadag. Now, that ball will stay sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Now, 13 seconds to shoot. At para makarinig tayo ng update sa side ng CARCIDO Waters, let's hear it from Chan. Hi Chan, anong update natin dyan?
Well, Rick and team, bago nga magsimula ang laro during the huddle, they are reminded na gawin ang lahat as a veteran. Nagitgitan nga ang laban ng dalawang kupunan, pero during the timeout, jersey number 32 Buena Obra advised his co-players to always look for the open man, mag-communicate and stay focused dahil kulang nga sila. Kaya kailangan lang nilang magtulungan at mag-stick sa kanilang plan to execute the game properly. Yan lamang ang update dito sa side ng CARCIDO. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chan. Ayan nga, isa din sa naging problema talaga nila is yung kulang sila dito sa mga players. But having Relata, Caroche, and the rest of the players here of CARCIDO Waters, they still have the guts to get the win this evening. 32-29, just a 3-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT, and some of our referees reviewing on that last sequence. So let's just wait for the confirmation of our officials on what really happened on that last sequence. But we would like to shout out or to give thanks to our dearest sponsors. We have Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Superb Cuts and Soul, Katie Sportswear, Think Pro Incorporated, Crown Park, Skytech Advertising, Homepet, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Seruma, Crown Hotel, Glass House Beach Resort, Lamon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nishi Rapid Drug Mart, and Tan Dental Clinic. Maraming salamat po. Now, that's a same ball possession para dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. It was unsuccessful para sa side ng ating CARCIDO Waters. Now, we are seeing a good second quarter for UNC-TRIFIT. And to hear an update kung ano nga ba yung ginawa nila ditong pagbabago sa kanilang gameplay, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai! Anong balita natin?
Hello, Tin and Rick, at maraming salamat. Well, we have a turnaround for the UNC-TRIFIT. After trailing in the early minutes, they've managed to close the gap, making this a tight contest heading into halftime. Their defense stepped up big time, forcing key stops and converting them into points on the other end. CARCIDO Motors started strong, but UNC-TRIFIT found their rhythm, moving the ball well, attacking the basket and knocking down crucial shots. The momentum has clearly shifted, and if they can carry this energy into the second half, we could be in for a thrilling finish. That's all the updates I have for now dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tim.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayun nga ang ating UNC-TRIFIT ready to conquer this second quarter. And as we can see right now, napakaganda nga ng depensa ipinapakita ngayon ng ating UNC-TRIFIT. Kaya sana tuloy-tuloy yung ganitong gameplay ng UNC-TRIFIT to really get a big gap against CARCIDO Waters. 35-29. This is the biggest gap. Or 32-29 rather. 3-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Pero mabibigyan pa ng isang pagkakataon dito sa free throw line. Ito ng ating UNC-TRIFIT.
What a turnaround of event para dito sa ating pangalawang quarter. UNC-TRIFIT making sure na every ball possession counts on their side. Talaga namang hindi alintana dito yung mga depensa on the side of CARCIDO Motors. Nabanggit nga ito kanina on the side of UNC na talaga namang napakaganda ng mga fast plays nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT. That's why medyo nahihirapan ditong sumabay itong ating CARCIDO Motors.
But as we can see right now, a point conversion for CARCIDO Motors and just a 2-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. But they have a chance here to add a point as Villaflor releases a big three. Now that is Villaflor giving a good fight here against CARCIDO Waters. Ang laki-laki po ng ambag dito ni Villaflor with this matchup. Now, ano kayang gagawing pambawi dito? Manrique passes to Alaray. Now Alaray with 10 seconds to shoot here. Manrique, no good. Now Estrada with that rebound. 36-31. Again, Villaflor on the other side of his last spot. And he gets it again. What a good point coming from Villaflor. Talagang malakas yung at maganda yung kanya ipinapakita dito ng laban against CARCIDO Motors. Wala pang pambawi mula dito sa kabilang kupunan. But now, again, that's the ball possession of UNC-TRIFIT. 8-point lead, biggest gap para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. But a steal here coming from CARCIDO Motors. Nagbabadali dito. And jersey number 45 getting that basket, Alaray.
Now, Barcena, passing it to Sarmiento. Goes inside. Pero no good on that attempt. Now, CARCIDO on the offense. Alaray passing it to Aswer with 15 to shoot. And Manrique in and out ball. No good. TRIFIT ngayon ang nasa opensa. And again, UNC-TRIFIT making sure na maganda ulit yung kanilang point conversion in that last sequence. Let's take a look one more time for our highlights sa side ng TRIFIT. And of course, CARCIDO. Wow, an exchange of point para dito sa dalawang kupunan. At napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng CARCIDO because UNC-TRIFIT umaarangkada na para dito sa ating second quarter. 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining.
And now, let's see here after this timeout if CARCIDO Motors can do anything about this big gap of UNC-TRIFIT, knowing na nasa kanila yung napakagandang momentum ngayon dito sa ating second quarter. And CARCIDO Motors, talagang kailangan na nilang gumawa ng paraan dito para bawasan yung kalamangan na ginagawa ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT. Kasi nasa element na ng UNC-TRIFIT ngayon. Villaflor adding a heated here for UNC-TRIFIT. So napakalaki po ng ambag ngayon ni Villaflor for our second quarter. As we can see right now, CARCIDO Motors doing anything, everything to lessen that point.
Again, a very tight defense on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. That's why 14 to shoot na lamang ang natitira sa shot clock on the side of the CARCIDO. Alaray, no good on that attempt. And another foul was whistled on the side of UNC-TRIFIT.
Now, they have 8 seconds to shoot here. A good defense coming from UNC-TRIFIT. Now, if this will continue, CARCIDO Motors, will they face a loss here? Or they will redeem themselves? But seeing the performance of UNC-TRIFIT, napakaganda. They are really ready for this matchup. What a point conversion para dito kay jersey number 24 Ramos. Di alintana yung mga guardias sa baba. And a missed basket for UNC-TRIFIT. An opportunity for CARCIDO Motors here to lessen that gap. 6-point gap yung naigawa na po ng UNC-TRIFIT. Relata passes here to his teammate Alaray. Jersey number 8, too short for that one.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Barcena looking for his teammate. And wrong pass.
And now, an opportunity again here for CARCIDO Motors. Karunan, babalik dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT to add for their defense. Now, CARCIDO Motors, 10 seconds to shoot here, but a traveling violation. Very crucial turnover para dito sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. Now, UNC-TRIFIT, an opportunity arises for them to widen that gap of their team. Nakakagawa ng bola dito. CARCIDO Motors gets it. And hindi pa sayang para dito kay jersey number 8 Baron. Now, UNC-TRIFIT, natatawagan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul. Si jersey number 24. Now, talagang intense kung intense para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Again, that's unsportsmanlike foul called to jersey number 24 Ramos of CARCIDO Motors. So they need to lessen their fouls. Be careful with their actions right now. 41-35, 3 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Now, Caronan will be on that free throw line. Talagang napakaganda ng matchup dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. Now, a quick ang Rick para dito sa mga nanonood po sa atin ng live sa ating Oragon Sports TV. A quick shout out for Kalaysa Faith Respeto, Lizlyn Habala, Kawayi Paradero, Pia Abyog, at kay Philip Mampo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. Now, UNC-TRIFIT basketball. 41-35. Stuck na tayo sa puntos na ito. But let's see if UNC-TRIFIT could add a point here. Caronan goes inside. No good. Naubusan na ng shot clock dito. Now, an opportunity for CARCIDO Motors. Relata. Pass to Alaray. 17 seconds to shoot here. Now, goes inside para dito kay Peron. CARCIDO Motors, kailangan na kailangan yung mga puntos na to. They need to tighten their defense also, knowing that UNC-TRIFIT malakas when it comes to defense. Now an opportunity, but loses it with miscommunication between CARCIDO Motors. Nagmamadali dito with that layup, misses it. And Caronan gets that offensive rebound. And a turnover. Ngayon, this is a fast-paced game. Ngayon talagang mainit na yung laban dito ng dalawang kupunan, and even the officials, yung they're questioning the cause of the officials here. So they need to calm down right now for just on our second quarter of this matchup. But still, we can see that these two teams talagang bigay todo para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. And CARCIDO Motors needs to relax right now. They need to focus on the game and give their all right now. As we can see here, Buna Obra talking to one of our officials. 41-37. 2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. So maraming salamat pa rin dito sa ating live audience sa loob ng NCF covered court. Now, we will continue this matchup of CARCIDO Motors and UNC-TRIFIT. Now, Relata. Passes here to jersey number 7, a sweep. Now, Alaray goes inside, but a whistled foul. So, tawagan ng foul dito. Jersey number 6, Sakido. And Masinas, babalik para dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. 16 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating CARCIDO Motors. Now, let's see the kind of gameplay they have here. Relata passes here to his teammate, but is still coming from Caronan. What a change of momentum. Now, hindi pa rin. Villaflor, one more time, but denied. At tatawagan na nga dito ng foul si Alaray. Now, let's take a look at it again. Grabe yung mga happenings dito between UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Motors, and that instant replay is brought to you by Safe Gasoline. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Tatawagan din dito ng technical foul for unsportsmanlike itong si jersey number 45 ng CARCIDO Motors na si Alaray. Second quarter pa lamang tayo, pero intense na agad talaga. As in intense kung intense para dito sa ating dalawang koponan. Now Villaflor on that free throw line. He also has a good percentage sa free throw line na yan. But now let's see for his second free throw of Villaflor. Now Villaflor. Another free throw for him. And even yung ating live viewers dito talagang intense na din sa pinapanood nilang laban ng CARCIDO Motors and UNC-TRIFIT. So let's see here. Swear passes to his teammate. Now on the other side, releases a three-pointer. Too short for that one. But a steal here. Relata. Piggy basket. No good. And UNC-TRIFIT right now having a momentum here. But Yunzala. 20 seconds to shoot. But Yunzala heavily guarded here. And still coming from CARCIDO Motors, looking at that performance. But a whistle foul. Tatawagan dito ng foul si Caronan ng UNC-TRIFIT. Let's take a look at it again. Talagang kahit si Caronan hindi makapaniwala dun sa foul na nagawa niya. Na jersey number 8, Beron. First free throw. That's good. No good, rather. Now let's see if babawi siya sa kanyang pangalawang free throw. Beron, second free throw. That's good. Now, 44-38, 6-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. A minute and 25 seconds remaining here.
Now, TRIFIT on the offense na Ugan. Looking for his teammate, Sakido. No good. And a foul was whistled. Let's take a look one more time for our instant replay. Yan yung last sequence.
Yes, between jersey number 8 here of CARCIDO Motors, Beron, and Masinas. Masinas for his second free throw. A minute and then. This really a heated matchup between these two teams. Parehong maganda yung depensang ipinapakita nila. Magandang opensa na talagang swak na swak para sa ating pinaka-last game ngayong gabing ito. Now, Swear with that ball. Passes here to Relata. Now goes inside, getting that basket para dito kay jersey number 24, Ramos. 54 seconds remaining. Humahabol ang CARCIDO Motors ngayon.
Now UNC-TRIFIT on the offense, Sakido. And a great sale coming from the CARCIDO Motors. Aswer passing it to Relata. Wala pa din. Pero offensive rebound coming from Ramos. But a shoveling violation was called on the side of their team. Again, yung last sequence. Shoveling is more fun with Naga and shoveling tours.
Now Relata tries, still no good. Pero offensive rebound and jersey number 15 for their second chance point. Sabio getting that basket. Ngayon, 3 puntos na lamang yung hinahabol dito. But basket count with the foul. Para dito
Wow.
kay Sakido. Now, let's take a look at it again. Napakaganda ng ating last play na yan. Sakido getting that basket and Relata having that foul.
Napakaganda, back to 5-point lead at posible pang madagdagan dito ng isa pero no good. And another foul was whistled. Penalty situation on the side of CARCIDO Motors. Masinas stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity. Wow, CARCIDO Motors, they really need to lessen those fouls, errors na nakukumit dito sa ating ball game. Because again, nasa penalty na naman dito ang kanilang kupunan. And with this 7 seconds remaining, ano kaya ang gagawin dito ng dalawang kupunan? At pumasok pa nga yung last attempt. Relata to inbound looking for his teammate. Relata to Ramos. At makakakuha din ng buzzer beater shot itong ating CARCIDO Motors. Kitang-kita on our instant replay. What an outplay on their side. And that's the end of our third quarter. We will be right back for our here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Pero ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
And we are back for our third quarter of this matchup of UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Motors. And looking at our score, it is a very small gap of UNC-TRIFIT against CARCIDO Motors. And as we can see right now, with this point, kitang-kita natin yung ibinigay na depensa, magandang opensa nitong ating dalawang kupunan. And during that halftime, or our first half, nakita natin yung mga laro dito ng dalawang kupunan. And with this instant replays, the highlights of our first half looking good para sa ating CARCIDO Motors and UNC-TRIFIT. Palitan lang ng puntos dito at ang gaganda ng mga ginagawa nilang gameplays dito. So it is a really good matchup for this both teams. And now, let's see if this will continue up until our second half of the game. And to hear an update sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT, we have our courtside reporter, Zai.
Maraming salamat, Tin and Rick. UNC-TRIFIT now holds the lead as we start the third quarter. Grabe ang naging turnaround nila mula sa pagkakahabol. Ngayon, sila na ang may control sa laro. Their offense has been clicking using a well-executed screening position to create open shots and confuse the CARCIDO Motors defense. But let's set the game aside and take the opportunity to interview the owner of TRIFIT Naga. We have here Attorney William Enrile. Hi sir, magandang gabi po sa inyo. So maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap sa aming paanyaya to interview you. So Attorney William, I would like to ask po, out of all the team here in OBL, why did you decide to support the UNC Naga?
I want to support the young players, give them a chance to showcase their talents. And some of the players here I personally know. So full support naman ako dito sa league na to. It's a very good showcase for BICOL basketball.
The team is very lucky to have you, Attorney William. Sir, I've noticed that you are a big basketball enthusiast. Kaya naman, Attorney, how did you gain your interest in the sport basketball? Were you a player before?
Matagal na, since I was young, hilig ko na din ang basketball actually.
So, sir, would you like to invite our viewers to check out your establishment, and maybe what are the services that you offer?
Well, TRIFIT Naga is a gym, more of a boot camp CrossFit gym. So if you have the opportunity to come visit, you guys are welcome. And I hope you support TRIFIT team dito sa OBL.
Maraming salamat po, Attorney William. There we have it, the owner of TRIFIT Naga. Thank you so much, Sir William. You're welcome. So now, bumalik naman tayo sa hardcourt action. UNC-TRIFIT has been solid, forcing through shots at napapahirapan ang CARCIDO Motors to find their rhythm. Ang task screening position nila has really made a difference, giving their shooters enough space to hit those crucial baskets. Pero hindi pa tapos ang laban. CARCIDO Motors still has one more quarter to turn things around. Makakapit ba ng UNC-TRIFIT sa kanilang league? Or will we see a big comeback? Abangan natin ito sa final quarters na pararating. Yan lamang updates dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Zai, for that interview and for that update on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. So, kitang-kita nga on that update coming from our courtside reporter na talaga namang itong UNC-TRIFIT, napakaganda ng ginagawang game plan from screening, blocking, and shooting that ball on their side. And right on cue, UNC-TRIFIT successful on that attempt. 50-44, napakaganda ulit na pagbungad sa ating pangatlong quarter on the side of their team. And now, turnover on the side of the CARCIDO. And to hear an update sa side ng CARCIDO Motors, let's call our courtside reporter, Chen. Ano ang gagawing adjustment dito ng inyong kupunan knowing na abante ang kanilang kalaban?
Well, thank you, Rick and Tin. As we head into the second half of the game at nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Well, dito nga sa side ko, the players are reminded na huwag magpadali, ngunit bawiin ang dapat bawiin. Hindi pa tapos ang laban, kaya mas kinakailangan ngayon ng CARCIDO na ipakita at bigyan ng magandang depensa ang bawat laro. Stay focused and always read the situation. Kaya naman, ano ba ang masasabi nyo dito, Rick and Tin, sa mainit-init na laban ngayong gabi?
Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan nga, kitang-kita naman natin talaga yung determinasyon dito ng CARCIDO Motors, and we can see that dito sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. But this is a big 5-point lead of UNC Greyhounds or UNC-TRIFIT against CARCIDO Motors. And kung makikita nga natin, yung ating top scorer during that first half, we have jersey number 28, Villaflor of UNC-TRIFIT. Talagang maganda yung ipinakita niya ditong performance for their team. And also, sa kabilang side naman, it is Relata. None other than Relata. But still, the rest of the players of CARCIDO Motors, napakaganda din yung kanilang ipinapakita ditong performance. So now, let's see if kung sino nga ba yung makakakuha o sino yung magdodominate ng ating third quarter dito. Is it UNC-TRIFIT or CARCIDO Motors? And now, 9 seconds to shoot here for CARCIDO Motors, or UNC-TRIFIT rather. A three-pointer, too short for that one. Still, an offensive rebound, Karunan, no good. Now, CARCIDO Motors, an opportunity for them to lessen that gap of UNC-TRIFIT as well. Passes here to jersey number 4, no good.
Now UNC-TRIFIT on the offense, Batyansela. Passing it to his teammate for 3. Too long for that attempt. Now, Relata may hawak ng bola para sa CARCIDO. They need this one. And a whistle coming from our referee here. Foul was called on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Now, 2 shots will be given para dito kay Relata. Relata, kailangan dito ng kakampi on their side to really build slowly their momentum na nawala on that second quarter. And of course, itong ating UNC-TRIFIT, they are enjoying it. At nakikita natin dito na mina-maximize nga nila yung ibinilin dito ni Coach Migo on their side. So, good start para dito sa ating third quarter on their team. Taugan. No good. Buenaobra secures that rebound.
Now,
Passing it to Aswer.
now an opportunity for CARCIDO. Relata releases, no good. Now let's see here, Batyansela nagmamadali dito. Loses that ball, an opportunity for CARCIDO to tie the game. And Buenaobra getting that basket. And just a 1-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Now Karunan, papasok sa loob.
Nagawan pa ng paraan dito ni Karonan. Extending their lead into 3. Para ngayon sa CARCIDO, ano ang gagawing adjustment at Bawe? And speaking of Bawe, Punzalan with that layup. 1-point lead. What a game, team, for these both teams. And wow, UNC-TRIFIT very successful when it comes to their offense.
Grabe yung mga ibinibigay ditong pagpuntos ng dalawang kupunan. Sagutan kung sagutan para dito sa UNC and CARCIDO. Now let's see here. That ball will stay sa side ng CARCIDO Motors with 15 seconds to shoot. Now an opportunity again for CARCIDO. Now, Relata to inbound. 15 to shoot here. CARCIDO. Good defense coming from UNC-TRIFIT. And again, napakaganda ng depensa dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. Let's commend that. Kanina pa yan, first quarter. Matindi na agad talaga yung ipinapakita nila dito. No good on that last attempt. Nagmamadali. Taugan for that fast break. Brought to you by DELIGOLD Philippines.
Caroche heavily guarded here. Buena obra forcing that one, but a whistle coming from our referee. And with that, 2 free throw shots ang ibibigay kay Buena Obra on the side of the CARCIDO Motors. 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining for this third quarter. 59-54. Hindi nagkakalayotin ang scoreboard para sa quarter na to. Now, one more time for Buena Obra.
And of course, Rick, gusto lang nating i-shout out yung ating live viewers sa Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout kay Romel Romeo, James Malate, Kawaii Paradero, kay Kev De Vera at kay Enzo Tolosa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, Batyan Sala passing here to his teammate, heavily guarded. And Masinas getting that basket again. An easy one. Di alintana yung malalaking katawan dito ng players ng CARCIDO Motors. Now,
Punzalan looking for his teammate. What a defense and steal on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Wow! Napakaganda ng pinapakitang performance on the side of UNC-TRIFIT.
now Villaflor babalik para dito sa UNC-TRIFIT. Mas dadagdagan pa yung napakagandang performance dito ng TRIFIT. Now, 19 seconds to shoot here for UNC-TRIFIT. Batyan Sala to Taugan. Now Taugan. May whistled foul. Tatawagan dito ng foul si Relata. Ngayon, talagang bigay todo para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Dahil since it's just third quarter, grabe na agad yung paglalaban nila dito. UNC and CARCIDO giving us a good matchup. And Joseph Caroche delivering that big three-pointer. Brought to you by GILMAR, CASA, and DESCANSO. What a good three-pointer coming from Joseph Caroche.
Now, 2-point lead para dito sa UNC. Ramos passing it to jersey number 45. Alare, pero a whistle coming from our referee and chance to add a score on the side of CARCIDO.
Now Alare. That's good for his first free throw. Now let's see for his second free throw here. They need this to tie the game against UNC-TRIFIT, and that's it. We are now deadlocked on 61 all. At mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang UNC-TRIFIT dahil yung pinag-ingatan nila na hindi naman masyadong malaking kalamangan. Eh ngayon, nabawi agad ng CARCIDO Motors dito sa ating 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining because of that good defense and offense coming from CARCIDO Motors. And now seeing these highlights, ito yung mga nakaka-excite na gameplays dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. We have Taugan, Villaflor, Caronan sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. We also have Caroche, Relata, Buena Obra sa side naman ng CARCIDO Motors. So this UNC-TRIFIT napatawag ng timeout. Ingatan nila kalaman dito nakuha itong CARCIDO Motors. So they need to contemplate their gameplays now. Dahil napaka-intense na, dikit na po ang laban nitong dalawang kupunan. Hindi dapat sila magpakawala dito ng laro. So every ball possession counts for this both teams. Now let's see here. UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Papasok sa loob, no good. Now, this is an opportunity again for CARCIDO Motors to get the lead here. Joseph Caroche.
Passing it to Alare. Chance for them to regain or retake the lead para dito sa ating laro. With 10 to shoot. Relata was blocked but an offensive rebound and Bona Obra was successful to snatch the lead para dito sa ating laro. 63-61. What a basketball game for these both teams.
Now, a three-pointer, no good. And now, balik sa CARCIDO Motors yung napakagandang momentum. Now, let's see if they can be consistent here. Joseph Caroche for a three-pointer, no good. Ngayon, wala din talaga dito yung isa pa nating Caroche sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. We have Carlo Caroche na isa din sa nagpakitang gilas dito. But on that last sequence, we can see on our screen right now that instant replay of Sarmiento. Good pass from his teammate. Getting that basket with a foul. Ito yung kailangan ngayon ng ating UNC-TRIFIT. Deadlock on 63 all and an opportunity for Sarmiento to take on that 1-point lead. And that's it. Hawak ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT yung isang puntos na kalamangan. Anong pabawi ng CARCIDO Motors?
Relata looking for his teammate. Back to Caroche. 15 to shoot. Alare to Relata. Lulusot. And a 3 seconds violation was called on the side of CARCIDO. Very crucial error para dito sa kanilang kupunan. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. Now UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Barcena passing it to Villaflor with 14 on the shot clock. What a great block! And now Caroche ibibigay dito kay Ala Ray for that layup. And now CARCIDO again ang may hawak ng isang kalamangan dito sa ating laro.
Now UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Motors, kahit late na ngayong gabi, talagang pinupuno nila yung ating mga manonood ng isang napakagandang laban dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Now let's see here, UNC-TRIFIT. Villaflor, delikado, no good. Positive rebound, Sarmiento, still no good here. And Joseph Caroche getting that rebound. Let's see here with this defense of UNC-TRIFIT if they can stop a point conversion coming from CARCIDO Motors. Now, Joseph passes to Alare.
What a pass! Pero hindi ito pumasok. Still offensive rebound para sa CARCIDO. Caroche for 3. No good. Offensive rebound pero great steal coming from Villaflor. And now Barcena puts that one in para dito sa ating TRIFIT side. 1-point lead ang hawak ng ating TRIFIT.
Now, Joseph Caroche. Back to Alare. Alare going inside, denied here. And UNC-TRIFIT an opportunity again. And that is the same ball possession here. Now, nilalamig na ako dito, pero yung intense matchup, yung nagpapadagdag ng init dito sa loob ng NCF covered court with that point of 66-65. A minute and 12 seconds remaining here. Now, UNC-TRIFIT with 19 seconds to shoot. Estrada. Now, that's no good.
Sabio, may hawak ng bola, passing it to Caroche with 15 to shoot and 55 seconds on our game clock. What a great steal coming from Barcena this time. Mamadali. Losing that one, pero still, the ball is on their side. And traveling violation was called on Barcena for that last sequence. CARCIDO on the offense. 40 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. And Karoche itatawid ang bola on their side. Taking their time here.
Now, Rick, 37 seconds. Kahit ang daming turnovers dito, grabe din naman yung defense-ang ginagawa ng CARCIDO Motors to make sure that UNC-TRIFIT can get it. And now, basket count with a foul. Grabe, itong ating third quarter na to, nagpapaulan ng napakaganda mga puntos dito, as we can see right here. Jersey number 15, Sabio, getting that basket with a chance for a three-point opportunity. 66-67. Sabio, that's good. Now, 2 puntos ang hawak ngayon ng CARCIDO Motors. With this remaining 25 seconds of our third quarter, can UNC-TRIFIT tie the game or take on the lead here? Now, let's see here. 13 seconds to shoot. Barcena loses it. Joseph Caroche with that steal, and Alaray getting that basket, making sure that before the third quarter ends, it will be on their side. And a 4-point lead of CARCIDO Motors now. We will be back for our most intense quarter of the game, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapero ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig.
Ano, morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kapero ng Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit.
And we are back here for our fourth and final stretch for both teams. 76-6 is our score, but Yancela unsuccessful with that attempt. Now CARCIDO Motors on the offense. Alaray. Maaagawang dito ni Taugan. Wow. These both teams, kitang-kita ang effort. Wow.
Now, CARCIDO Motors, Rick, looking for a point conversion here, 68-70. Now, we whistle here. Grabe, pagpasok pa lang ng ating fourth quarter, bakbakan na agad dito sa offense as well as the defense.
Because this is the final quarter to know who is the winner para dito sa ating last match ng OBL Elavil Cup. Alaray to inbound. And the ball possession ay mapupunta sa UNC-TRIFIT. Chance for them to even our scoreboard or get the lead para dito sa ating laro. And yan nga, deadlock at 70. And a timeout, an early timeout was called on the side of CARCIDO Motors because again, nabura na dito yung 4 na puntos na kalamangan. Let's take a look one more time for that instant replay. But Yancela Gets that one in. And to hear an update on the side of the CARCIDO Motors, let's call our courtside reporter Chen. Hi Chen, ano ang gagawin dito ng CARCIDO to secure their third win?
Well, thank you, Rick and Tin. We are now on the fourth and last quarter of the game. Kailangan na nga dito ng CARCIDO na ibigay ang all-out na galing and to show what the CARCIDO Motors is. Kaya naman this is their last push to establish a strong defense and finish the game strong. Maiuwi kaya ng CARCIDO ang pangatlong panalo o makukuha na ng UNC-TRIFIT ang kanilang unang panalo. Kaya naman si Kaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, handang-handa ngayon ng CARCIDO Motors to get their third win here. Clean record yung gusto nila ngayon dito against UNC-TRIFIT, and we can really see that they are eager to get this win this evening. Now, a point conversion coming from their team, pero sa nakikita natin ngayong performance ng UNC-TRIFIT, it won't be easy for CARCIDO Motors to snatch this win dahil sa depensa at offense ang ipinapakita ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT. And to hear an update sa side ng TRIFIT, andyan si Zai. Hi Zai, take it away.
Rick and Tin, we are at the last quarter for today's game. And to be honest, I don't know what to expect sa dalawang team na to. The favor changes almost every 2 minutes or so. There are only a few people here sa court, but the yells feels like there are more than 100 people watching. This time, they're aiming for a different approach, changing the positions of the players and focusing on applying more pressure. I'm really curious kung paano magtatapos ang laban na ito. Kaya Rick and Tin, balik muna sa inyo and let me hear some of your analyzations.
And thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun nga, anyone basketball at this moment because of the performance of these both teams, UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Motors. Napakaganda ng pinapakitang performance. At yun nga, thank you so much po sa ating mga live audiences dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court na walang sawang sumusuporta. And another point will be added on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT with that 3 points.
Now Relata releases a quick three. No good. Offensive rebound. One more time. And it will be the ball possession of so let's see. Let's see it one more time here. So nagkaroon pa doon ng
Now, back to the ball game, UNC-TRIFIT with the ball possession. Now, chance for them to snatch again the lead. Foul was called on the side of CARCIDO. Si Ponzala ang matatawagan dito ng foul. Now, Taugan to inbound on the side of the TRIFIT. 14 to shoot. Caronan, heavily guarded here. Finding his way, passing it to Batiancela. With 5 seconds on the shot clock, fires for 3. No good.
now 6 minutes and 41 seconds remaining for our final quarter, but CARCIDO Motors having that 1-point lead at talagang hindi pa natin alam kung sino makakakuha dito ng kanilang panalo because of this intense at dikit na laban. Now Relata passes here to Aswer. 16 seconds to shoot. Back to Relata. Now Obra. Mabalik kay Aswer. They need to shoot this. Every ball possession counts for CARCIDO. Now Relata. Basket count with the foul. Relata, very effective player of CARCIDO Motors. Let's take a look at it again as Relata goes inside. Naipasok yung napakagandang puntos na yan.
Wow. What a shot para doon sa last sequence coming from Relata. Pero in and out ball on that 3 points play. Karonan ngayon. Pero no good on that. Wow, napakaganda ng performance ng dalawang kupunan. And mind you guys, hindi pa ito quarterfinals or even semifinals. This is just the elimination round para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. But again, they're giving their best here.
Now let's see, Karonan, first free throw, no good. And even free throws at this moment with this very crucial game, they need it. So Karonan, if hindi pumasok yung kanyang unang free throw, he need the second free throw. Still no good here. Offensive rebound for UNC-TRIFIT. Taugan. And that's good. They need to have a tight defense right now. 73-76 or 75-76, just a point lead of CARCIDO Motors.
Relata to inbound. What a great steal para sa UNC, but CARCIDO Motors secure that one on their side. Wow, UNC with that full court man-to-man defense. And a foul was called to Batiancela on that last sequence.
Now Alaray to inbound this. 14 seconds to shoot for CARCIDO Motors. They have a point lead against UNC-TRIFIT. Now Aswer. Passes here. Almost loses it. Alaray was there. Now Relata. And that's good, Relata. Mainit pa rin kahit nasa fourth quarter na tayo. Nagpapaulin pa rin ng puntos dito. And that was, we can see, another turnover for UNC-TRIFIT. 75-79. And we're halfway through our final quarter. So UNC-TRIFIT, they need to work more on their defense right now. Because CARCIDO Motors, dire-diretso sa pagkuha ng puntos. As well with that ball. Again, Relata. Papasok. No good. Offensive rebound. Sayang para dito sa CARCIDO. And a whistled foul para dito kay Relata. Grabe yung ating mga last sequence dito ng laro ng dalawang kupunan na to, Rick.
Kitang-kita natin dito ang effort and dedication for these both teams to really get this win this evening. So hindi talaga lugi sa panonood itong ating mga live viewers. And the UNC-TRIFIT successful on that last play. Now, CARCIDO Motors naman. Ano ang magiging sagot dito? 79-77, 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining for this game. Aswer looking for his teammate and a great steal coming from Masinas. And what a perfect layup. Deadlock at 79.
The game is still alive para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Still, hindi pa natin alam with this kind of performance of these two teams. And it will be the ball possession of UNC-TRIFIT. With this ball possession, with this remaining minutes of our last quarter, anong gagawin dito ng UNC-TRIFIT to get this win? At para marinig yan, andyan si Zai.
Rick and Tin, it's the battle between the veterans and the rising stars now. With only a few minutes left, the cold nights will feel a little less chilly. And I don't know about you, Rick and Tin, but I can feel the burning passion of these athletes sa upuan ko. Whether we like it or not, the last few minutes of this game will probably feel a lot more. Kaya Rick and Tin, balik muna sa inyo. That's all for now.
Ayun, thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun nga, the burning passion for these both teams. Veterans versus the rising star. Wow, on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT, the future is bright for these players for showing prowess inside this hard court. And to hear an update sa side naman ng mga veterano dito sa CARCIDO Motors. Chen, anong update dyan?
Last remaining minutes ng Rick and Tin, ngunit napakainit pa rin ng laban dito sa dalawang kupunan. Parehas gustong umuwing panalo. Bawat kupunan ay walang sinasayang na puntos, kaya naman hanggang ngayon palaisipan pa rin kung sino ba ang uuwing panalo. Yan lamang ang latest. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Wala. Itong dalawang kupunan na to, talagang walang sinasayang na puntos with this remaining 2 minutes and 53 seconds of this matchup. And as we can see right now, 82-79. So let's take a look at it again on that last sequence. Kung ano nga ba yung mga nangyari dito. CARCIDO Motors and UNC-TRIFIT. 3 puntos ang kalamangang hawak ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT. Kaya naman titignan natin kung patuloy-tuloy ba yung gagawin nila ditong pagpuntos or CARCIDO Motors can do something about this. And we can have a much more intense game than this. Kaya naman, with this 82-79, titignan natin if UNC-TRIFIT patuloy na yung pagpuntos nila dito. Or CARCIDO Motors will do something. Talagang very crucial. No turnovers, no errors here. Every ball possession counts for these two teams. Now, Alaray. 13 seconds to shoot. Passes to Joseph Caroche. Now, Relata. Heavily guarded here. Same ball possession. With 7 seconds to shoot here. 82-79, 2 minutes and 34 seconds remaining here. Now Alaray to inbound. Very crucial one for CARCIDO Motors. They need to do something. What a great defense coming from UNC-TRIFIT. Sinisigurado talaga nila na itong segundo ng CARCIDO Motors. Igagawa nila ng paraan para hindi magawa ng magandang point conversion. Now Alaray still to inbound. 6 seconds. Now down to 5 seconds to shoot. Alaray. No good.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. Masinas to Caronan. Chance for them to add their lead here. But Masinas with that offensive rebound. And Taugan successful on that attempt.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT with this last 2 minutes with their 5-point lead against CARCIDO Motors. What a great defense we're seeing right now for UNC-TRIFIT. Talagang ilalaban hanggang dulo. So CARCIDO Motors needs to do something about this, and UNC-TRIFIT tumawag na ng timeout to finalize their gameplays here. Ano yung mga gagawin nila para mas pag-igtingin pa yung kanilang depensa dito. But let's take a look at our game highlights muna dito of UNC-TRIFIT and CARCIDO Motors. It was that last sequence coming from Taugan. Talagang isa sa mga nag-step up for UNC-TRIFIT para sa match-up na ito. A minute and 53. Five-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. 14 seconds to shoot here.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT, kailangang dire-diretsuhin na itong kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating natitirang 1 minuto and 53 seconds. Meanwhile, on the side of CARCIDO Motors, they need a good and perfect offense at this moment. They really need to make sure na makakapasok lahat ng ball possession na mapupunta sa kanila. Relata, passing it to his teammate. And a foul was called on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT rather. Two shots will be given on the side of CARCIDO.
And now hearing Rick, this song of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup, mas nagpapadagdag sa intensity ng larong ito. Talagang mapapatanong ka, ano, maurag ka? Itong mga players ng CARCIDO Waters and UNC-TRIFIT really showcase being Oragon ngayong gabing ito. Now, jersey number 8, Beron. First free throw was good. They need this. 2 free throws. Importante para sa CARCIDO Waters dahil sila yung naghahabol dito. 4-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT.
One more time for Beron. And the lead is down to 3.
Nako, nagkakapisikalan na dito. It's Aswer and Karonan. And now, that's a double foul for jersey number 17, Karonan, and jersey number 7 of CARCIDO Waters, Aswer. Ngayon, Villaflor papasok muli dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Now, yung sinabi nga kanina dito ni Zai, it's the veterans and the rising stars here. Parehong nagpapakitang gilas. Now, 1 minute and 40 seconds. Togan. 19 seconds to shoot. Passes to Batyan Sala. Now, Batyan Sala heavily guarded. Nako.
And a commotion here sa loob ng ating venue. The intensity of this match. Wow. Magkakaroon dito ng review.
Our officiating officials will review that one more time. Grabe. Hindi lang sa laro yung naging intense. Yung ating mga players dito, nagkakaroon na talaga ng pisikalan. So let's wait for the confirmation of our official. Grabe yung laro ng ating dalawang kupunan dito.
Wow. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. And still we are waiting for the confirmation on our officials kung kanino or sino ang matatawagan ng that last sequence. On your screen is our lovely viewers na talaga naman nakatutok sa atin up until this night.
Now let's see here for the final call of our officials for that last sequence. Let's take a look at it again as they are having confrontation here. Now one more time, bigger screen. It's between Punzalan and Batyansala. Now for the third time. Now, yun na nga yung itinawag ng ating officials dito. 5 free throw yung ibibigay dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. This can make a very big difference for UNC-TRIFIT. Jersey number 7 of CARCIDO Motors, tatawagin dito ng ordinary foul. Jersey number 4, Punzalan, disqualifying foul yung ibinigay dito. And jersey number 24 for technical foul. Now, Batyansala naman ngayon. Nasa free throw line. This is 5 free throws for UNC-TRIFIT. 85-81 or 86-81 on our scoreboard. Pero mahaba-haba pa to, Rick, itong 1 minute and 28 seconds natin. So CARCIDO Motors pwede pang habulin yung puntos na meron ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT.
But again, they need to lessen their error at this moment. Both teams are now on the penalty situation. 87-81. One more time for Batyansala. Successful. Another one for him.
And
all good.
And this is still the ball possession of UNC-TRIFIT with 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. 89-81 on our scoreboard. Now Estrada pass to Batyansala. Very big difference for this both teams. Batyansala no good. Now an opportunity for CARCIDO Motors para bawian yung mga free throws na nawala para sa kanila. And that ball possession, they will review that last sequence. Kung kanino ba mapupunta yung ating ball possession na yan. Is it for UNC-TRIFIT or CARCIDO Motors? 89-82. And they are also asking for our time clock that didn't move during that last sequence. And our officiating officials will also check that. 89-82, 7-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. But with this remaining time, there will be changes here. There will be a lot of changes. As for CARCIDO Motors, they still have a chance here to snatch this game. But if UNC-TRIFIT wishing to have this win, they need to tighten their defense. Hanap ng butas para makapuntos. It's 10:38 now. But still, andito pa rin tayo sa intense na matchup ng dalawang kupunan.
Yes, talagang kaabang-abang ang natitirang minuto dito sa ating laro. Di pa natin makonclude din kung sino ang panalo because ang ating score hindi nagkakalayo. 89-81 is our score para dito sa ating match. Let's see after this replay kung kanino mapupunta ang ating ball possession. For the meantime, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safe Gas, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, KINGPIN, CAMSUR, MARIANO Optical, MARQED Aesthetics, and Laser Clinic. Trian Bakery, thank you so much for your support.
And now, we only have a minute and 18 seconds remaining. This will be the ball possession of CARCIDO Motors. 89-81, an 8-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. So let's see here. 14 seconds to shoot here. Joseph Caroche to inbound.
Looking for his teammate. Passing it to his teammate, but unfortunately, turnover on their side. Very crucial para dito sa kanilang kupunanaw, Villaflor. At matatawagan na dito ng foul itong si Aswer. And with that, Villaflor will be having 2 shots. Pag naipasok pa ito ni Villaflor, medyo mahihirapan na ditong makahabol itong CARCIDO Motors, knowing na meron na lamang tayong 1 minute and 8 seconds. So, yan, the fans of UNC-TRIFIT inside this venue talagang pumapalakpak na and really enjoying and feeling the moment on their side. Villaflor one more time. 2 clean basket.
Now, a 10-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Now, can CARCIDO Motors snatch a point, but naugan yung titira. At matatawagan pa dyan ng foul. So, two free throws will be given to him. And now, an exactly 1 minute remaining for our final matchup. Final quarter. And UNC-TRIFIT really fought for it up until the end. And also, CARCIDO Motors giving us a good matchup tonight. Now, Tolgan getting that first basket. Let's see. For his second free throw. That's good. 2-on-2 para dito kay Tolgan. 12-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. CARCIDO Motors, Relata. Passes here to jersey number 15. That's a 3-pointer. Coming from Sabio. Now, 9-point lead. Kakayanan kaya ng CARCIDO Motors na humabol. Togan. 15 to shoot for UNC-TRIFIT. They are taking their time here. Now, Togan. Guarded by Relata. Pass here to Estrada. No, Estrada goes inside. No good. Now, Relata may hawak ngayon for a quick 3, and that's good! A back-to-back 3-pointer coming from CARCIDO Motors. Grabe yung nilaban ng CARCIDO Motors para sa ating mga huling segundo ng larong ito. Masinas passes to Taugan. At Taugan naman ngayon with 4 seconds. No good. And that's it. What a good matchup we've seen this evening. It ended with 93-87 in favor of UNC-TRIFIT. Natingnan natin yung ating mga game highlights dyan. Napakagandang performance po para sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. At congratulations din sa ating CARCIDO Motors for giving us a good fight this evening. At sa ating pagbabalik po, it will be our best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, mahorad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig. Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive.
Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This, that, I got.
Ano man ang pangalan
Kampeon ng Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon.
And there you have it, our best player of the game is brought to us by Nonoy Magtoto. And beside me is our best player of the game coming from the UNC-TRIFIT. Jersey number 28, Joshua Villaflor with 19 points, 2 steals, 1 assist, and 3 rebounds. So congratulations on your big win dito sa araw na ito. So ano ang nararamdaman mo knowing na isa ka sa nagpapanalo dito sa ating UNC-TRIFIT?
Siyempre po masaya dahil may naitulong ako sa team para makuha ang panalo, and talagang lahat naman po contribute sa team namin para makuha itong una naming panalo.
And ano pa yung aabangan namin dito sa UNC because ang mga susunod na kalaban nyo is malalakas din. And ano pa yung mga adjustment na gagawin dito ng inyong kupunan?
Sa mga adjustment, pinapractice lang namin sa training namin every day. Nag-a-adjust kami kung ano man pagkukulang sa depensa, sa opensa, and doon talaga namin kung anong i-execute namin sa in-game sa practice lang kami nag-uumpisa.
And lastly, this is your time to shout out all the fans and supporters na nanood ngayon dito sa larong ito.
Thank you po kay Sir William Enrile, kay Sir Toti, kay Attorney William Enrile and Toti, sa TRIFIT, Naga. Thank you po. Shout out po sa family ko na nanood ng live dito, and other relatives ko from Concepcion Grande, and shout out sa girlfriend ko na si Carila na nanood din siya ng live. Shoutout kay Nico Caronan, sa tropa ko dun sa Grande, yung Los Grandes, and yun lamang po. Thank you.
Ayan, again, congratulations, Villaflor, on your big win. Beside me is our best player of the game.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro.
And that's our best player of the game, Joshua Villaflor. What a great performance coming from UNC-TRIFIT. And still congratulations sa ating CARCIDO Motors for giving us a good fight this evening. At next week po, mas kaabang-abang pa po ang ating mga matches. Kaya dito lamang po kayo tumutok sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Kasama ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta. For more actions, just tune in sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon, ang lakas sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!